Imagine you are standing at the bottom of a massive, freezing mountain, staring up at a terrifying avalanche of credit card statements, auto loans, and student bills that are completely burying your financial future. This is the exact reality for millions of Americans suffocating under consumer debt, trapped in a mathematical illusion where making only the minimum payments guarantees you will remain a highly profitable asset to the massive banks for the rest of your life. But there are two incredibly powerful magic tricks to completely dig yourself out and permanently take your freedom back: the Debt Snowball and the Debt Avalanche. The Debt Snowball is the ultimate psychological cheat code. Instead of stressing over which credit card has the most toxic interest rate, you organize all your debts from the smallest dollar amount to the largest, and you violently attack that tiny balance first while paying the bare minimums on everything else. When you finally crush that first small debt, your brain receives a massive, intoxicating spike of dopamine, creating a powerful emotional victory that forces you to keep going, rolling that freed-up payment into the next smallest debt until your momentum becomes an unstoppable force. But if you want to completely bypass human emotion and use pure, cold mathematics, you use the Debt Avalanche. This is the exact strategy the financial elite use to protect every single penny. You completely ignore the size of the balances and ruthlessly attack the debt with the absolute highest interest rate first, which is usually that terrifying 25% APR on your flagship credit card. By slicing the head off the most expensive debt first, you immediately stop the massive bleeding of compound interest, mathematically saving yourself thousands of dollars and months of time. While the snowball gives you the psychological motivation you desperately need if you easily lose focus, the avalanche is the absolute fastest, most mathematically efficient way to reclaim your wealth. The true sleight of hand isn't obsessing over which method is theoretically perfect. It is waking up from the illusion that debt is a normal part of the American experience, picking the weapon that perfectly matches your own psychology, and aggressively executing it until every single chain holding your financial freedom hostage is permanently destroyed.